Hello, welcome to my video. Today you are going to practice a simple conversation ordering food at a restaurant in English. Let's listen to conversation between a customer and waiter. Okay? Happy, enjoy it. Good evening, welcome to Nini's Cafe. Here's our menu. Good evening, thank you. Can you tell me what's special today? Sure, our special today are grilled salmon with garlic butter, spicy beef stick, and creamy mushroom pasta. Sound delicious. Do you have anything vegetarian? Yes, we have a vegetable stir fry, a tofu salad, and creamy mushroom pasta is also vegetarian. Great! What drinks do you have? We have iced lemon tea, orange juice, mineral water, hot coffee, and milkshake in chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry flavors. Okay, I have the creamy mushroom pasta and a glass of orange juice. Would you like any appetizer? We have garlic bread, chicken soup, and french fries. Yes, I take garlic bread, please. Excellent choice. Would you like any sauce with your pasta? Just a little extra cheese, if possible. No problem. Okay, one creamy mushroom pasta with extra cheese, garlic bread, and orange juice. That's all. Thank you. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Excuse me, can I get the bill, please? Here's your bill. You can pay at the counter. Thank you. The food was amazing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry for my mistake. And see you next time. Bye.